What's going on, everybody? Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a free mod. This is something that if you guys are looking to make your truck look a little bit taller, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the bottom wind deflector right here. So I already started it, but basically the Ford trucks, they come with this wind deflector. It's supposed to, help increase gas mileage, things like that. I have the 4-wheel drive, so it's not that long, but usually if you have like a 2-wheel drive, it's gonna be like down to here. It makes your truck look really low. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take that off so that the truck is actually gonna look a little bit taller, like it's level or anything like that. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna show you. And right now I am using what millimeter is this? This is a 10 millimeter. And we're gonna go ahead and remove all these bolts. And we're gonna go ahead and move this and take that wind deflector off. So it's actually gonna look a lot nicer and a lot taller. So here's a quick walk around of what it looks like right now before I take it off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and then show you guys what it looks like after. So yeah, it's gonna make the truck look a lot taller in the front. Since it's not coming down as far, it'll look like it's almost leveled. And this is a free mod that you can do. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, and then we'll go ahead and take the what's it called, deflector off. So there you guys go. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this is the bottom wind deflector that comes off, and boom. Now the truck looks a lot taller, which looks a lot better in my opinion. So yeah, that's a free mod that you can do. Now what you can do after this is go ahead and cut these tabs off. So then they're not sticking down like that. So I went ahead and took these tabs off. Now you can go ahead and use a Dremel. I didn't have a Dremel, so I was able to use a pair of pliers for cutting, and I just worked away at it. And I'll show you what it looks like from the back or from underneath. It's nice and flush. This is where I did trimming here and here. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like one more time. And just like that. Makes the truck look way better like that. I don't know why Ford even puts those. It's just to give you better aerodynamics, better fuel economy, because the air goes under the car. So if the shield's there, the air goes under it, but it looks stupid. That looks a lot better. So it does make the truck look a little bit taller, obviously, because there's less, there's more room, more clearance. So it looks taller. But bam, that looks great. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around one more time. We'll go from the side. Yep. Yeah. All right. And just like that. Let's go this way. Like I said, this is a free mod that you can do. So here's a walk around. Super easy. It's like 8 bolts or something. Yep. And what you can do is, if you want to fill up those holes, you can go ahead and put the screws back in and just take these off right here and put the screws in. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There you guys go. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment. And if you found this video helpful, like I said, leave a like so that YouTube will share this with other people. But I think it looks great. Free mod that you can do. Make your truck a little bit taller. So, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.